content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily inventory of vehicles coming in, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic. Right now you're looking at a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. This is a freshwater flood damaged vehicle. As you can see, it's running in the photos. The engine compartment is clean. No rust, no signs of corrosion. Really nice. This is probably going to be a vehicle we rebuild. So right now we're just drying it out. We have it running with the heat on. We're probably going to pull the interior on it as extra caution, just to make sure there's no moisture. Let's do a quick walk around. Body looks clean. This is an Overland edition, 5.7 liter Hemi. As you can see over here, this is where the insurance company marked the water line. We'll check that in a minute, see what the reality of the situation is. Sometimes, well, they do make a lot of mistakes when they're processing vehicles in a catastrophic event. Just a rush to get the vehicles off the street. So they make a lot of mistakes, and sometimes we get very good vehicles that have been water damaged. So we count on those mistakes sometimes. But we also make mistakes too. Not all the floods are good, but a good vast majority of them this time were. Nice panoramic roof. Interior looks clean. Carpet's dry. Seat tracks are clean. The contacts are clean over there. All good signs. No water settled in the cup holder here. All very good signs. Check here. You see a water line. Seats work. It's a good sign. Seat tracks are like brand new. I'm gonna say no water got in this interior. You would see it in this pocket here. Forget it, would be full of water if the water got inside. $3,500 miles. No warning lights on. The AC's on. The heat is on, I'm sorry. This is a fully loaded model. So we're probably going to complete this vehicle 100%. We offer financing on our rebuilt vehicles. Keep checking the website, you'll see this one on there soon. Thanks for watching.